back with another layout. And today I'm going to be using an unusual paper. I'll tell you about that in just a minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is border this photo with a floral paper from Bo Bunny. It's the Escape to Paradise paper, or Escape to Paradise collection, and it's the Dreamy paper. And I wanted to bring that sort of floral piece in to bring in a little bit of kind of my regular scrapbook style, which is a more different kind of pattern paper. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put that on top of this Florida map paper, which is definitely different than sort of my usual style. I've done that on occasion on trips, and what happened here is a really close friend of mine bought me a load, I mean like probably 200 sheets of pattern paper at a closeout of a craft store that went out of business near us. And so these are things she chose. I go with her and her husband. They have a condo in Florida, and I visit them once a year. So she knew that I'd be able to use that paper, and that's what I did with this. So now I am adding in some wood veneer. And I have that geotag, and I'm going to put it near Marco Island, which is where we go. And then I'm going to add in, and I think it ended up a little bit high in the end, but that's fine. I know where it is. It actually should probably be just a little bit lower. But anyway, I'm going to use that to kind of get myself near where we go, and then I'm going to add that wood sailboat in. Now we weren't on a sailboat, but it is a boat, and so I'm going to use that there. Then I'm adding some die cuts, and those are from the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blues bits and pieces. So I'm adding the floral there, and I'm thinking I liked that that soaking up the sun die cut there. But then I'm going to end up using, it's a sticker. So I'm going to end up using a sticker that says soaking up the sun to make that kind of bottom cluster there. And that sticker is from the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies combo cardstock sticker. So that is a couple years old. So now I have this die cut of a hammock between two palm trees, and I don't know that I would ever use it in that form, so I'm thinking about just using a palm tree. And then I kind of like this sun die cut. I'm not loving that it has the words on it, but I'll solve that. So here's another floral die cut that I'm looking at, but it's a little bit too yellow, or sticker, sorry, a little bit too yellow. So I find that floral sticker there, thinking about using that. I do like the idea of having a floral sticker on the top and the bottom, both. So I'm just playing with that. So there is that sticker again. So I just added that sticker down, and that came from the Sunshine and Blues there. And again, there's the boat just to kind of represent that we were out on the water. I add in the geotag there. Kind of get that positioned how I like it. And then I was going to put the sticker down, but decided, you know what, I want to add a little dimension into this cluster. It's the larger cluster there, and kind of brings your focus from the top of the photo down to the bottom. So I'd like to get that emphasized a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing here. It's kind of fun to work with this map paper and, kind of make it into something that's a little bit more my style. Sometimes I like to do that with product, is to really challenge myself, and that's kind of what this did. So then what I'm going to do here is I decided just to cut off the words here. I didn't want more words up at the top there, but I really liked the idea of the sun, and I liked the idea of a cluster on the top right there, because then it brings the map a little bit more into the picture, so that it's not just a picture laying on top of a piece of paper. If that makes any sense, it's integrating the foreground and the background a little bit more. So adding that there. And I was looking for more wood veneer here. So I have some Studio Calico, and this wood veneer is all from Studio Calico, by the way. I have these kind of like little sayings, so I'm trying to find something appropriate. And I finally settle on one that says today is the day. There were lots of different ones I could have chosen from, but I like that one in the end. So now I'm looking, and I have word strips here on the Sunshine and Blue Skies cardstock stickers. So I'm going to add one into each of the clusters here. So the one on the left says vacay all day, the top one says lazy day, and then I'm going to find one for the bottom one yet. So I'm just kind of playing around with these. And I just like that it adds a little punch of color to that top cluster, and then just, you know, another little different sort of element into the layout. And I know it's more words on here, and I said I didn't want more words, but they're smaller. And with that punch of color, I think it works. So then I picked an arrow, wood veneer arrow. I have my wood veneer storage container just to the left there. And I'm finding an arrows. And I decide I really like this one a little bit better. It's a little bit less chunky. The chunkier one was a little bit too noticeable for me. So there's that. And then I was tapping there because I was looking for, I'm thinking I'm going to put a phrase there. And then when I found this particular phrase, which says on vacation, I thought it would work better on the left side of that cluster than on the right. So now I have wood, a phrase sticker, and some sort of die cutter sticker in each of those clusters. All right, so I'm just about done, guys. So coming up is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.